Good morning children, Sharashnathi. Today we are going to begin new chapter, chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. Cube. A cube is a solid figure which has all its sides equal. You already saw die children, dice we will play snake and ladder, for example ludo and all. That we will consider it as a cube. If you consider it as a cube, it has 6 faces, is it? It will be a solid figure, means even you can consider many examples like solid objects in that which we can fill something, means cube will have, it is a solid figure means it has volume in it, okay. A cube is a solid figure which has all its sides equal, but according to cube and cube roots, still definition is next, okay. Before going to study that, another one question observe here. How many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 2 centimeter? If you are arranging children 1 centimeter cube, you want 2 centimeters, okay, 2 centimeters cubes if you want to arrange. How many cubes required they asked, okay. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube they asked children means 2 we have to write 3 times, okay. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8 means you need 8 cubes. That is 8 cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 2 centimeter. One more. How many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 3 centimeter? Now you have to arrange it in 3 centimeters children, means 3 cubes, okay. Base as a 3 cubes if you arrange, how many required? 3 cubes is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 which is equal to 27. That is 27 cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 3 centimeter. The cube of a number is that number raised it to the power 3. If x is a number, then x cube is equal to x into x into x. Already you saw the examples, you understood I think. X cube means the base what you have written children, it has to repeat 3 times. It is exponent, power or index we will call, okay. X into x into x, 3 times the base we will write, okay. Next it is the definition of a cube. A natural number n is a perfect cube if n is equal to m cube for some natural numbers. For example, here n is equal to 27 if I consider, m cube means 3 cube because 3 into 3 into 3 gives 27. We will write it as 3 cube. 125 is equal to 5 cube. 64 is equal to 4 cube. 1331 is equal to 11 cube. The cube of an even natural number is even. Children, if you done cube for any even natural number, you will get even number itself. 12 cube is equal to 12 into 12 into 12. Means 12 into 12, first you have to multiply. What answer you will get? Again into 12. Means 144 into 12. 1728 we will get. Next 14 cube. 14 into 14 into 14 which is equal to 2744. Observe here, all even we are getting. By observing the ones visit we will conclude that the cube of an even natural number is even. The cube of an odd natural number is odd. So if you done a cube for odd number, definitely answer we will get odd number itself. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Here it is a odd number. 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here again odd. Okay. 7 cube is equal to 343, 11 cube is equal to 1331. Means the cube of an odd natural number is always odd. In the same way, cube even natural number will be even children, odd natural number will be odd. Okay. The cube of a negative number is always negative. So if you done cube for any negative number, you will get again negative answer itself. For example, minus 1 cube. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 3 times we have to write. Then minus into minus is plus. 1 1s are 1. This minus 1 as it is you write. Okay. First these two we multiplied. And then another term as it is we have considered. Now plus into minus is minus. 1 1s are 1. Minus 6 cube is equal to minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. 6 6 are 36. Minus into minus is plus. Positive term. Again no need to put plus children. Minus 6. 36 into 6 is 260, plus into minus is minus. Next point. The sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their sum. That is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n terms means Number of terms, how many? Up to 10, 20, 30, how much you will take? N is unknown variable, children. You can consider any number here. Up to where you will consider the same here also. Means the given how many terms they will give, or if you add and square, it will be equal to that. Observe an example. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. 1 plus 8 plus 27. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay. 3 cube is 27. When you add this, 36 we will get. 36 can be written as 6 square. 6 is the 36. Is it? Then according to LHS part, I solved, children. RHS consider 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equal to, here we should get 1 plus 2 plus 3. Up to how many terms we consider? Those numbers square it has to come. 1 plus 2 plus 3, is it? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Square, LHS part 6 square, RHS also 6 square we got. Cubes of the numbers ending with the digits. Children, which numbers end with which number we are going to find this? It's 0 cube you done. 0 into 0 into 0 is 0 itself. Is it? 1 cube. 1 ones are 1, again 1 ones are 1. Cube of 0 ends with 0. Cube of 1 ends with 1. Cube of 2 ends with 8. In the same way, 3 ends with 7. 4 ends with 4. Cube of 5. 5 cube. Okay. Do, children, you will get 5 itself. Okay. Then 6 cube. 6 you will get, 7 cube if you done, 3 you will get, 8 cube if you done, last digit 2 you will get. In the same way, 9 cube if you done, last digit means that is one's place we will get as 9 itself. Here also, here cubes of numbers ending with the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 end with the same digits. Observe here 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. These terms end with the same number, is it? 4 ends with 4, 5 ends with 5, 6 and 9. Only difference is cube of numbers ending with the digit 2 ends in 8 and vice versa. Means 2 ends with 8 and 8 ends with 2, children. Observe here. 2 ends with 8 and 8 ends with 2. Okay. In the same way, cube of numbers ending with the digits 7 ends in 3 and vice versa. 7 ends in 3 ends in 7, then 7 ends in 3. Okay. Cube root. The cube root of a number x is the number whose cube is x. It is denoted by cube root of x. Here both the terms x only we considered, means both are unknown variable, children, both are natural numbers. Okay. Cube root of 27 is equal to 3. In the same way, cube root of 64 is equal to 4. These two are examples for cube root. For any positive integer x, we have cube root of minus x is equal to minus cube root x. Okay, if they give negative number, negative we will keep it outside and we will find the cube root for the given number. Okay. For any integer a and b, we have cube root of ab is equal to cube root of a into cube root of b. Means we can separate cube root of a into cube root of b. And you know one more thing, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. In the same way, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay. And a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. This I put bracket, children. Means in this chapter we are going to give preference for this law. Okay. And last one, cube root of a by b is equal to root of a by cube root of b.